Minasan, konnichiwa. このビデオでは、Minnaの日本語レッスン3の語彙についてです。はい。じゃあ、始めましょう。ここ、here, or this place. So this is also a demonstrative, but it means for location. ここ、そこ、そこ、そこ、そこ、そこ、あそこ、あそこ、あそこ。どこ、どこですか？どこ、どこ、どこ。こちら、kochira is like this place, but you can also use it as a polite form of koko. Kochira, sochira, it's that place. Sochira, that place. Achira is that place over there. Achira, or that way. So it also can be used, kochira, sochira, and achira can be used for asking like which direction. So it's like kochira this way, sochira that way, or achira that way, like over there. Or it can just be that place over there. Dochira, so this is which way or where. It's used for asking. So it's like the polite also of doko. So it can be used as where or dochira, or which way. Kyoshitsu, classroom. Shokudo, it's like a dining hall or a canteen, like cafeteria or dining hall, usually in a school or company. Shokudo. The next, jimusho, office. The next one is kaigishitsu, a conference room, a meeting room. Uketsuke, it's a reception desk, or like a front desk, information desk. Robbie, is lobby. Heya is room. Heya. Toire, it's a restroom or toilet. Toire is katakana. Otearai, so this is like the very polite form of restroom or washroom. Otearai. Oh, just toilet is fine. Otearai. Kaidan. So like stairs, staircase, kaidan. Elevator. That's an elevator. Elevator. Escalator. Escalator. Then we have Jido Hambaiki. Vending machines. Jido Hambaiki. Then we have Denwa. It's like a telephone, but it can also be used like phone call. Denwa. The next one is Okuni. It can stand as kuni, but the polite is okuni. Then the next is kaisha, company. Kaisha. Then we have uchi, like your house or your home, your own personal house. Uchi. Then we have kutsu, shoes, like footwear. Kutsu. Necktie. Wine. The next one is uriba. It's like a counter in a section store. So uriba is like shoes uriba, kutsu no uriba, or clothes uriba, something like that, uriba. Then we have chika. Chika is like basement on the ground floor, and that's why they call subway chikatetsu. Hi. Chika is like basement on the ground floor. Chikatetsu, because trains are on the ground, so subway. It's called chikatetsu. Then we have kai. Kai. It's a counter suffix for floor. So like if I ask somebody, what floor are you going to? Nikai. Nikai, that's second floor. Yonkai, fourth floor, something like that. The only difference is sangai. Sangai, so it doesn't take kai, it takes gai. Just a pronunciation difference. Nangai. What floor? N. N. So it's written as yen, but the pronunciation is N. So situations where you have, you want to talk about money, ikura desu ka? And then you bra bra bra, N. Hyaku, N. Something like that. Ikura. Ikura is how much. Ikura desu ka? これは ikura desu ka? How much? 100. 100 is 100. Sen is 1,000. So sen en is 1,000 en. Man is 10,000. Man or ichiman is 10,000. Then for some expressions that we would use in conversations, like you can use in conversations, 例えば, すみません. This is very common. You're going to use すみません for everything. So すみません also works as sorry. It also works as excuse me, or to get attention, or to even say thanks. So for instance, if somebody gives you a gift and you want to say thanks, sometimes you say すみません. It's more like, the nuance is more like, oh, I'm so sorry I bothered you. But you didn't actually bother the person. But yeah. So すみません. Arigatou gozaimasu. Something like that. Or you want to get the attention of somebody. すみません. I know, すみません. Just like the way we learned 失礼ですか? The first one, like, excuse me. So すみません. Domo. Thanks. So this is just a casual way. Instead of domo arigatou gozaimasu, domo is very casual. Thanks. Irashaimase. Irashaimase. You always hear this in companies or in stores or anywhere you go in Japan to buy anything. Irashaimase. So something like that. Irashaimase. So it's irashaimase. Irashaimase. So what? Welcome. May I help you? So it's used by shop staffs to customers. Irashaimase. Another one that can be used in conversation is brabra misete kudasai. Brabra misete kudasai. So this can also be a very useful phrase when you go to stores, convenience stores, and you want to see a particular one. So it's like koreo misete kudasai. So please show me this. Or maybe it's far from you. You're talking to the person and it's far from you. You can say areo misete kudasai. Something like that. So please show me when you want to see an item that you want to buy. Then, ja. So you always hear me, it's a conjunction, but you always hear me say, ja, hajimemashu. Yeah, so ja is like, well then, in that case, let's do whatever. Then there is o kudasai. So I also use it, so it's koreo kudasai. Please give me this. So give me, please. So like when you want to order something, you can just point to it, koreo kudasai. Or sushi o kudasai. Please give me sushi. Or whatever, tempura o kudasai. So it's a very useful expression that you also need to learn when coming to Japan. Ja, minasan, owarimashita. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. I will be more than happy to answer your questions. Ja, see you in the bumpo. Matane.